guys, and welcome to my channel. A couple days ago I had put up on Instagram asking if you, that light's bothering me, if you guys wanted to see what I got, some stuff that I got for my summer decor. I went to mostly Dollarama, and then I just bought three things at Michael's. So, and the response was yes, everybody wanted to see it. So, I'm gonna start with Dollarama, and I got like 10 of these. I really like these branches. I think they're great for a little DIY that I'm going to be making with it. So I got, like I said, 10 of them. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them for the DIY or just a few, but we shall see. And then I got, and they were $1.25. And then I got these were $1.50. So like that. These are dahlia stems. So one looks like that. And then I got three of those, and for $1.25 I got balmum. I really like these. I have them in pink as well. I think they're just so pretty. Can you tell the theme that I'm going for? And so I bought stuff for a whole bunch of different projects. I got just a random ballpoint pens. That's not for a project. I just need new pens, and they're $4. These are actually really good if you're looking for good pens. I got some Canada flags for a little thing I'm gonna be doing for Canada Day. Then I also got 3 of these. These were $1.25 as well. So these are all from Dollarama. I really like these, and I just needed a couple more. I have them throughout my house. I got the Sunlight Free and Clear because I bought the face, those makeup removing pads for face, and I wanted something that's free and clear to wash them in. So that was $4. So this is not just DIY, this is random stuff too. I bought the Dead Sea Elements Under the Eye Treatment with salt and minerals from the Dead Sea. And there's 5 of them. And this was, I'm not sure how much this was. I assume it doesn't have a price, so it must have been about $1, but I might be wrong. Probably am wrong. I'm gonna check my receipt. So the mask was $3, which is not bad for 5. And then I also got some of these. I like these. I've used them before. These are $1.50. It's the Euro Spa. So I got the heat therapy, oatmeal, and pomegranate peel off deep cleansing. 1. And then I also picked up the kitchen towels, 2 of them. These are really good. So that's it from the Dollarama. And actually I'm gonna put these in here. And then I went to Michael's, and I needed some lemons, and these were the best price. Well, I couldn't actually find them anywhere this size. So there's 10 pieces. I think regular price was $12, and I ended up having using coupon for them, 40% off. And I used 2 coupons because today they sent out an email that I can use 2 coupons. So I bought 2 of these. I was looking for the stems, but I really did not want to pay what they wanted for the stems. And they weren't on sale, and even 40% off, they weren't. I don't think they were worth it. And then I also, so I think you can tell what one of my projects is gonna be, but I bought the Grapevine Wreath. I wanted a different one, but they didn't have it, and I really did not want to wait for them to have the other one, so I ended up just picking up this one. I might see if I can make this one to look the way I want the other one look. So, and that's it. That was all I got. So I'm going with the yellow theme because yellow makes me happy, and as you can see, there's already some yellow there that I used for spring, but I think I'm gonna continue it for the summer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, it's free. Subscribe if you like what you see. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.